Welcome guys to this tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through how you can set up a software called Local by Flywheel and use it to install your WordPress and design the website from scratch until finish without paying for a web hosting. However, the website you'll design will be located on your computer, so this is a local host service, and when you are ready you can take the website live. Now it has several advantages. Let's see a few of them. One of the advantages that you have for using the software is that you can design unlimited websites without paying for hosting. You can use it and design so many websites. It doesn't have any limitation and it's very easy to set up. The next benefit is that you can build your portfolio as a freelancer. If you design many websites, you can use this to show off to people that wants to pay for your services. You can tell them this is what you've done, show them your work, and that will serve as proof that you can do this. Another benefit is for you to practice WordPress web design as a beginner. So if you're a beginner, you need to do lots and lots of practice before you can perfect the skills, and this is just the perfect thing for you to do. You can practice building websites for companies and e-commerce website and all what have you, and this is a very valuable tool. If this sounds like what you want, just go ahead and stay till the end of this tutorial and I'll show you step by step how to do this. Before I begin, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you have not, share this video, drop a comment and click on the thumbs up button. You can leave the comment on anything. You can ask us a question. You can tell us what you're having challenges in, and we will respond to you as soon as possible. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to head over to your browser and type in Local by Flywheel and click on search. It will take you to their website, which is localwp.com. So you click on the website link. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down a bit to where you have or download for free. Here you can create an account with them or you can download. So I'll click on download for free, and here you can click on here to reveal the platform. So it says here, please choose your platform. If you are using Mac, Intel or any of this, you can choose, but I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows. Now you have to fill this form because without this you can't get this software. However, every other thing is free, and as you see here, it's free and will always be free. It's a very valuable tool, so just spend a little time to fill this so that you can get the software. I'm done with filling the form. I'll just click on get it now. So this is it. The download has started. So I'm using the free download manager. That's why mine is coming up like this. But if you are not using this application, then yours will likely download somewhere. That notwithstanding, just click on download and let it begin to download. When it's done, locate it in your download folder and we will head up to the next step. Now I'm in my download folder. So this is the software, and I'll just double click on this to start installation. This dialog box comes up and you click on run. That takes us to the next screen that we have here. Or if you are using a Mac or a computer with any other operating system, just follow the way you install your softwares and install it to the end. Since I'm using Windows, I'll just click on next. Then I'll click on install. The install process has started. During installation, this user account control dialog box comes up. Just click on yes and give it access. And just like that, we are done with the installation. I'll uncheck this box and click on finish. The next thing you want to do is to locate the shortcut on the desktop. Mine is not here because I've hidden it, but when you locate it, just double click on it and the program will start. When you double click on the desktop shortcut, this will come up. So you come down and select I have read and agreed to local term of service and click I agree. The next screen you see here, you have an option to create a free account, but I'll just keep this and come to this. The next screen you see, you just click on no thanks and click on no thanks again. So here you are, it's telling you create a new site. Click on this button. Now you have three options here. Want to create a new site, create from blueprints, and select an existing zip or drag your file into the windows to import a site. Now this is for beginners, so we don't want to go into any of these two options. We'll just stick with the one that is pre-selected and click on continue. You can see this screen says what is your site's name, so just type in the name you want to call your website. I'm done with typing mine, so I'll just click on continue. Now you see preferred and customs. Custom is a little bit advanced. That means you are going to adjust the settings, but we'll just leave it preferred and click on continue. Here you are going to put in your WordPress username. Here you put in your WordPress password, and this is the WordPress email. So just type in the username that you remember here, put in a password here, but remember that you need to put the username and the password into a safe location so that you can always remember it when you want to log in. For the email, I'd advise that you just leave it the way it is and click on add site. So this is it. It has started creating your website, but along the line there's this pop-up menu, so you simply click on allow access. This process is going to take a while, so I just advise that you wait till everything is completed on its own. Then another pop-up comes up. Click on allow access, click on yes. After a very long wait, it has finally completed. So this is it. Your website has been created and you are free to start editing. Here we have two buttons. This one says open site, this one says WP admin. I'll click on this. When you click on open site, it takes you straight to your website to show you what it looks like. If you want to log into the back end of your website, you click on WP admin and it's going to open the login page for you to log in with your credentials. Remember, I told you to keep your username and password in a safe place because it is very necessary. This is the login page. I'm just going to go ahead and type in my username and password here. I've typed in mine and it's logging me into the back end. This is it. This is the WordPress back end. This is where you'll be building your WordPress website, and you can see that it's a full functional site. You can do anything you want with it. You can install themes, you can install plugins, you can build it. The only difference is that it is not live. When you want to take it live, that means you need to pay for web hosting and a domain name. And we have a tutorial that shows you how you can transfer your site from this local host to a live website. I'll be putting the link in the description section so that you can check it out. As you can see here, we only have one website. If you want to run multiple websites at once, you simply come to this add button and click on it, so you can see the process starts all over. So you can add as many as possible. This is how you use it to learn, experiment, to see what your website is going to look like, and you can do this without paying for any domain name and hosting. So guys, that has been it for this tutorial. In the description section, I'll be leaving you the link of how you can back up your website from localhost and take it to a live server, and also a link to our new course which is at its development stage on how you can become a freelancer and start earning money within 30 days. Freelancing can be very lucrative if you know what to do. So we'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of how you can start from zero knowledge, learn the skill of designing websites, and then begin to get clients as a freelancer. If you did get any value from this video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Also share this to people that you know it will be valuable to. Don't fail to write a comment in the comment section. Tell us anything you want to do, whatsoever you have in mind, any challenges you are facing in your practice, just let us know, as long as it relates to digital marketing and making money online. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one.